So here are my New Year's resolutions for 2024, starting with streaming. I am going to stream twice a week now on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2:30 p.m. Pacific, unless something happens from work or whatever else. But as long as you follow this channel and all the other subsequent channels, I will let you know ahead of time. Second, TikTok and video short content. I want to do one video per week. I can't maintain a video every other day like I used to. So one video a week I think is pretty conservative, and it works with my time schedule. And then also one long form video per month, and that you'll find on my YouTube channel, Lazy Tech TV. And then finally, for my overall Discord community with the One Guild and with the pack, I want to help create a monthly community day where we play games or we watch a movie together, something. I know we said we would do it in the past, and we really did. I want to really do it this time. And then some other non-streaming related resolutions that includes drinking more water, like a lot more water, and then also stick to my Duolingo, not once, not twice, but actually do 3 separate lessons per day. I definitely have some other resolutions that I'm tinkering around and seeing if I have the bandwidth to be able to contain with that. But as it stands right now, those are the ones that are set, and I hope you all keep me accountable, and Happy New Year to you. Bye-bye.